Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. Today let us see how to use charts in MS Word. So in MS Word, when you open MS Word, you will have Insert tab over here. Go to Insert. Over here you can find Charts option. When you click on Charts, you will receive a dialog box related to charts. So here I can select the design how I want. So usually they prefer column 1. So let us see how to insert this. I'm clicking on OK. I will receive a sheet from Excel. So this is Excel sheet. Over here I can change with the series. I'll give the names of students, for example. So as you can see, I have given some names over here. I'll give some subjects. So here I have given some names, and then I have given some subjects over here. So let us change values also. So over here I have given the values. I have specified names and the subjects also. So this is my chart, where for this value there is a chart over here. You can see the names have been substituted with the languages. So over here blue is indicating English marks, orange is indicating Kannada marks, and then grey is indicating maths marks for Vanita, Tanuja, Krishna and Vamshi. So this is how we can insert a chart. Hope this video will be useful to you. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.